guys, this is it. This is what we're driving today. Alright guys, welcome to giveaway number 8, The Undertaker, where you can win this supercharged Mustang and $30,000 cash. All you gotta do is go to StangMode.com, grab some merch, enter to win. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in great spirits. Well, as you can see, Hulk's Motors back together. We got to talk about what happened, what changed, what the plans are now, and what the process is. Before we go there, we also have some fun clips from our time at the 2021 GT500 track tour. We had some fun. Tom Chaser was there if you got his pants. Long story, you'll see all that good stuff. But also, if you watch this in time, guys, that's right, our 8th giveaway is live. The Undertaker, our Whipple supercharged 2020 Mustang GT. And what's great about it, if you watch this in time before the end of Memorial Day, 10 times entries are live. We've changed it now. For every $1 you spend is now an entry to win the car. So at 10 times entries, $1 gets you 10 entries to win. So on and so forth. So go grab some merch. Check it out. We're super excited. As we speak right now, the Whipple is being installed by CD Auto Tech. So we'll have some videos on that coming up. So before we get into all that happened with Hulk's Motor and that it's back and the good news and the who, what, when, where, let's have some fun. Let's head over to the New Jersey Sports Motor Park for the track tour we had with the GT500. What is up, fam? This message finds you all well in good spirits. We are here at the 2021 Shelby GT500 track tour. So we have classic Mustangs here. They have the new Performance Mach-E, and we're gonna take the 2021 GT500 on the track. So get a chance to have some fun with it.
What we're going to be experiencing today is you'll have 3 rotations, and our general manager, Leslie, will kind of review some of the things that we're going to be doing today. To take and have you understand that the engineering capabilities of the Ford Performance team and how it translates to what you feel in the seat of your pants. And hopefully you can tell.
White flag. That means somebody's slowed up much below the normal speed that everybody's getting around at the track lap. So what?
We have a problem, guys. Tunnel Chaser forgot.
Look at those legs.
He wanted to show off the calves today, but you can't drive without pants in case it...
Well, here's the good thing. Ford was like, that's Tunnel Chaser? Go get him pants.
That is like the awkward feeling.
Stop it. You're going to be wearing these things soon.
Bold, it said, Ford Performance said, in bold, wear pants.
And it was actually highlighted in color,
How many cars
too.
did you blow up now?
What?
Did you blow up at this point?
5. As many times as you wear pants to the drag
That's what we're
strip.
talking about. That's today's topic.
Yes.
So I had to get
Biggest ones you got.
Wow. Ford Performance coming through.
Okay, these are not big at all.
They are. It's the wrong hanger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Need to hang it?
Wow, dude.
Look at this.
How nice of Ford Performance to get
Thank you so
Tunnel
much.
Chaser pair of
When you're off,
pants.
you can also just leave them with the guys over at the helmet station, and they'll just keep
That
They
was
know,
so
right?
nice.
It's not going to be weird when I hand them my pants.
It is so exciting, yes. Awesome, thank you.
Instacart pants to the...
Yeah.
Exactly. Better
Look
than
at this guy,
Amazon.
looks like a ninja right now. It's American.
Did you want to go over there and ride?
He actually looks like me a little bit right now. You got yeah. You got the StangMode gear right now?
I'm gonna go past it because I don't want to get there too.
These are all Track Pack 500.
My bet is you're going to end up in a green one. There's a good chance something's bad's going to happen.
They're gonna profile me. Like, you want a green one. I don't want orange or green or silver, because I've had all those before. So I would think I would like blue or red. All these other people look really intimidating and cool. Get loose.
When you guys are all set, you can head trackside if you want.
All right, guys, this is it. This is what we're driving today. Track Pack GT500. Ooh, I can feel the G's. All right, now that we're back, appreciate Ford Performance and Ford Media for inviting us out to have a good time. We had a great time. Drove the 500 on track. I just, respect the track. Love the track. I'm not a racetrack. I'm not a track guy. I'm a drag strip guy, roll racing event dude. Just who I am. Maybe because I suck at track driving, but it doesn't get me. I know it's a great motorsport community. God bless them. It just doesn't do it for me, but I still like to take them out if I have an opportunity to go for it. So let's talk about the Hulk's motor, what happened. So, as you know, we did a leak down test. It didn't come down that good. So we took it as an extra precaution. L&M said they'll bring it to us. We'll find out what's going on. So we ended up replacing the gasket as a precaution. So that's just a little bit extra. But since everything was out, there was some concern on some burnt oil on some of the pistons. So what I did, and I kind of benefit from this, is that because the motor was out and it was only set up for a compression 11-to-1, which only made the car be able to function 85, I said, can I go back to have the ability of running the car on 93 as well? So we went down in compression 10.5-to-1, stock is 9.5-to-1. So basically what that means is I can still run 93 on Hulk going forward, and I can now switch tunes, 85, 93, because we all know if you drive GT500, they drink gas. So even though I was on 85, I didn't feel like taking 5 jugs with me going to events. Yes, I do have the U-Haul sponsorship, but I like to go to Cars and Coffee. I go to events, like to review cars, meet up with friends. I want my car to be able to drive 93. So that's a good thing. So number one, we're replacing the head gasket, which is fine. Everything came out good. We're going to go down in compression because we're replacing the piston anyways. So let's go down so I can run 93 again. And we're going to go back to stock cams. We're going to go back to stock cams on GT500 because the idea is later we're going to go and do a test when Chuck and C&D Autotech gets his hub dyno. We're going to do a back-to-back data analysis. We're going to actually run the car on the dyno, on the stock cams, and then switch them. And then run them L&M cams because we want more data because there's a lot of people who the jury's still out on those cams, and we're gonna do that. So for right now, Hulk's motor's coming back after Undertaker's finished. Chuck's got a lot of work ahead of him. We're going to be doing this. I'm going to be picking up Hulk's motor with now 10.5-to-1 compression, so I can run 93. Then I'm going to go back stock cam so we can show you guys content later to see the difference. And also, we are going to be able to just have the car for just regular events. So I'll be able to do 93. I'll probably be 800 wheel horsepower. That's a lot of horsepower, but I can run my 20s and have that kind of good stuff. But that was the update. I got a lot of, I know you guys been like, I'm tired of truck content. Listen, I got to pay the bill somehow. So you got to have some content here. Got to keep the views moving. So we had some content here with Thor. Some of them hit, some of them didn't. But Mustang content is coming back. Hulk is coming back. Everything checked up. People had some questions about the transmission. Believe it or not, transmission's fine. It just ended up being that little thing with not having enough trans fluid in it. But the DCT is fine. You guys do know. I'll just tell you now, if you stayed this on the video, I appreciate you. The Whipple 3.8 is coming. I got some clips from Whipple themselves that you might have seen on social media. This is a 3.8 Whipple on the tester for Whipple. this is a bad girl. This is a bad girl. We're eventually going to work on trying to get there, but I'm going to enjoy Hulk when I get it back. I'm excited. So the next 2 weeks, Hulk should be back. Of course, we'll have that content of putting it back, installing it. I will run on 93, see what it does in 93 as well. But besides that, Hulk's going to finally get the Steeda K member installed because, you know, the 500 is heavy. And we have some extra exhaust. There's some extra things I still want to do. Some visual mods coming, some new wheels to Hulk. But that's the update right now. Just to iterate, Hulk's motor's fine. There's no hole in the block. Thank God. Everything's good. We're a little bit overboard, but since I was out, I said, let's do this. We went down in compression, we're on 93. We're back on stock cams. And, you know, we're good to go going forward to pop it back in. So, you know, shout out to L&M Engine. Shout out to Chuck. You know, just trying to be completely transparent and humble with you guys as well. Like, there's a lot riding on this car because I understand my platform and people want to see the car perform, and the people and builders involved are very working hard to make it the best they can. So I want to work with them and make sure it's best, but also my requests are met. So trying to make all that stew work and make sure everything works. And, you know, I really appreciate everyone's support. You know, I don't want to sell the Hulk. I don't plan on it. I don't want to quit. I want to keep moving forward as part of the process. And, you know, we're going to get there. And I'm really happy that Hulk's fine. Heads are fine. Just simple, you know, yes, Chuck could have just fixed the head gasket himself, but because that has an L&M plaque on it, let's go over the top. Let's bring it to them. And let's do what we got to do because we have some unfinished business. We got some of our friends out there calling us out. We'll have some fun. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's time. All right, you guys, please support. Go check out the Undertaker giveaway. It's my favorite. I'm doing a drag build, guys. I'm doing a drag build. You guys love drag racing. This is a drag build. We got the Whipple on there, BMR suspension. We have the drag pack, Ford Stars. I got like more mods coming in, half shafts, DSS, 2,000 horsepower half shafts. It's going to be great. But I'll take you through that process. We have all Undertaker content. We have the Hulk content. And, of course, we have all the Ford Media performance content coming. Appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe because you know it never ends. Peace.